Hatire gaja uthite na mbere na kwirorera Kiheo TV ni mohoro ma thaa mugwanja na njira ndaya ta uria tukuhaririirie na nie nguguthomera njitagwo Francis Wairura ndire wika no indi turatithania na memereke na njira ya ciiko etagwo Naomi Matho na turambirie na riboti igie na thi wa mwanya. Jacobeth Cheptoo uria ni murutwo wa unathi thiini wa thukuru umwe guku bururi-ini egutura aririkanitwo. Araririkana ni undu wake ni gukorwo ni ati niwe urari mundu umwe wa mbere kuma ndege yagwa kuria kaunti ya Nandi ni rirakuite atongoria kihiri kana rirakuite atongoria umwe wao ari mubunge wa Emurua Dikir. Murutwo uyu wa unathi ni urambire gukorwo agitangikira aria marakorirwo magikuruhana mutino-ini wa ndege ona thegia gukorwo ni ati ni marakorirwo magitorio ni nguraro. Akiaria na andiki ya mohoro, Jacobeth athite na mbere na gukorwo akiuga ati we ni mwirutiri na wakoiga ati kumana na uria koretwo agithomithio ni lecturers ake na kwirwo ati afatie gutangikira arwaru othe ona thegia gukorwo ati ndangimogerera ndagika nikio kihumo kinene gia gukorwo agitithiriria aria makuruhanire mutino-ini.
We managed to come to the place. On arriving to the place, I found around 4 men. The plane was on fire and the 4 men were trying to put the fire off by use of the soil. So I saw around 4 bodies. These people were affected, like 4th-degree burns, and they had already died. So the other 2, I went and assessed. The first one, he had a sign of life. Another one claimed that. Another one raised his hand. He didn't talk, so I went there also. The first one died after 5 minutes. He had bleeding from the nose, mouth, and the ears, and the swelling in the neck. The one who raised the hand, it took him like 30 minutes for him to succumb. I was hoping that this person could be helped, but it was so sudden. The rescue team came after 2 hours. I had to do what I've been taught. I remember last what came into my mind, my clinical instructor back in school. He told me, when you go outside, go practice what you've been learning. And I really felt that. And also, I also remember a certain lecturer, my lecturer, Madam Betty, she said, if you can add, there is a patient. If the patient is dying, you can help that patient to die peacefully. And you can also, as much as we cannot add days of a patient, we can make the patient, that life of the patient at least, to die peacefully in our hands.
Hiyo sauti vile nilisikia tu ni ngurumo, lakini ni kama ndege, lakini ilikuwa sauti ingine tofauti. Kidogo hiyo ndege ikaanguka, ndio tukaanza tukakimbia.
Na tukiuma kaunti-ini ya Nandi heru tufiuke nginyagia kaunti-ini ya Meru. Thirikari no ithite na mbere na gukorwo ikigithia kimanjika kia mabilioni ma mbeca aritabarira acio kuria thiini wa kaunti ya Meru. Kuringana na gavana wa kaunti no Peter Mutuma, odumwe na atongoria gikihiri a kaunti no maroiga ati ni marerahira odumwe na gukorwo magikenerera na gukungwira tabarira itiganite iria ni cia thirikari gatagati ga tabarira iria iciambiriirio ni hamwe na uhoro wigie thoko ya Gakoromone hamwe na uhoro wigie waki wa barabara.
As you are aware, the government has decided to upgrade this hospital, and we have already started the process of aligning the facilities and the processes and the human resource capacity of this hospital so that it can be assessed and upgraded from the current level 5 to level 6. As you are aware, level 6 is a national teaching and referral hospital, and it is therefore going to be the same level with the other level 6 hospitals we have in the country, like Kenyatta National Hospital, like KU Teaching and Referral Hospital, like Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital in Eldoret, and this hospital will continue serving even better the residents of Meru County, Tharaka Nithi County, some from Membu County, this side of Runyenjes, Isiolo, Laikipia, some from Marsabit, I'm told they come here, especially for those who have critical illnesses. So we are looking at a facility that is serving 5-6 counties, and we are going to work hard and implement the directive of His Excellency the President, that is, this hospital be upgraded in terms of facilities, in terms of procedures, in terms of human resources. The residents of this region will have no reason to travel to Nairobi or to travel elsewhere for any kind of treatment. So we are going to get the best specialists, doctors, we are going to get the best medical personnel and the best facilities. And we are running this program simultaneously in the sense that as we develop the physical facilities, like the buildings we are putting up, we are also working to equip or to source for equipment at the same time, so that as the buildings come up, we'll just come and start installing the equipment. So we are building markets. Tuko na ingine Mekindori ya 320 million. Tuko na ingine tumejenga hapa Mwishone. Tuko na ingine tumejenga hapa Kamachege. Tuko na masoko kwa jumla 17. Ukitoa Gakoromone, we have another 17 market in Meru County. Tubadilishe mambo ya kufanya biashara, akina mama mboga, wachuuzi, watu wa chini wafanye biashara, mazingira safi, mazingira ya kisasa.
Na tukiuma kauntini ya Meru riu tuhiuke nginyagia kauntini ya Turukana. Ngwatanĩro ya gũtetera ihoto cia arutani KUPPET kuria kauntini ya Turukana nĩ thiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo ĩtabanĩtie ithurano kuria amemba amwe arĩa nĩ arutani moigĩte atĩ matinyitĩte itemi na nĩ thutha wa gũkorwo makĩrutĩrwo mĩkana na tũrĩa mwandĩki wa mohoro Agatha Wairimũ aratarĩria. Oho arutani aya mathiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo makiuga atĩ makoretwo magĩtũmĩrwo ngeni ĩrĩa ĩrakorwo ĩkĩmahahũra.
Kawira Mwangaza akona kesi kwa koti. Tunasema hivi, hata kama akona kesi kwa hiyo koti, tunaomba hiyo kesi iondolewe ama isimamishwe kabisa, asimame kwa kiti, tumpe kura. Kwa maana Meru inamulilia. Sisi tunalilia Gavana Kawira Mwangaza, tunamuongojea na nyinyi tunamuomba koti yetu turuhusu Gavana Kawira Mwangaza asimame kwa kiti, tumsague tena na kura zetu.
Hiyo kesi ya mama iondolewe juu wenye wote walimsaliti. Waliongea vizuri na wakasema mama hakuwa na makosa. Wakasema mama walinunua justice yake kwa pesa. Sasa tunaomba koti, tunaomba wenye wote waliingililia ndio mama atolewe kwa kiti. Hiyo kitu iangaliwe, wamama wa Meru wanalia, Ashoras wanalia, watoto wanalia, sisi tulikuwa tunapata hata maendeleo hakuna.
Sisi hatuwezi tukasupport Lentore. Kwanza kabisa alituhusia mawe ikiwa fertilizer, aliposaguliwa CS wa agriculture. Na sasa akasaliti mama. Makosa mawili yale makubwa. Hatuwezi tukamchagua Meru. Na kama sisi wa Meru wametukanyangia chini, walitoa mama
na tukahoya muhera ni undu wa gutukania kwa riboti iyo ni giatongoria aungumania aria kurerikana ati ni akuma kauntini ya Meru aria kuringana na uria wari minister wa urimi na nwe Mithika Linturi kurerikana ati mathiite na mbere no kana ni makurirwo makiamukira kimanjika gia ciringi milioni 100 na niwo makoro magikia ja uria wari gavana wa kaunti ya Meru na niwe Kawira Mwangaza na riu tukoro tukimulika riboti igi arutani kana gwataniro ya gutetera arutani bururi-ini na niyo ya KUPPET mwena wa Turukana ni thiete na mbere na gukorwo itafanĩtie ithurano kuria arutani amwe mathiete na mbere no korwo makiuga ati ni marutirwo mikana ya gukorwo makigerwo ngero na nikio matakoretwo makiyumiria ona kuri uguo kurerekana ati ithurano icio guo ni itafanĩtio na njira iria yagĩrĩire. Mwandĩki wa mohoro Agatha Wairimu ni akoretwo akirumanirira na riboti ino.
Ngwatanĩro ya gutetera arutani a thekondarĩ bũrũri-inĩ KUPPET nĩ matafanĩte ithurano cia guthura atongoria o kaunti-inĩ ya Turukana. Ona thengia wa amwe arutani arĩa mataumĩte gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩu kwaga guthurana gũkĩrĩkana nĩ kũrutĩrwo mũkana nĩ amwe arutani arĩa maumĩte gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩu.
You want to kill us for what reasons? And we are teaching our children, we are giving them education, we are giving them good things, we are giving them knowledge, and here you are telling us that we don't matter. You have trailed us, and even on the media, for the purposes of records, you have trailed us from the poster in Lodwar here. You have come here, I've seen you somewhere, and you are now moving away with organized goons.
Makiaria tauni-inĩ ya Lodwar kaunti-inĩ ĩyo, arutani acio maugĩte makoretwo magĩikara na wagagu wa gwĩtigĩra gũtũmirwo ikundi cia nyanake imagagie.
And they are asking us, we are coming, we are supposed to vote, they are denying us to vote, we are the one teaching in classes, we are here. How do you expect a colleague organizing goons to beat you? Imagine. In a union that you pay your money every month? Kenya is paying our money. A goon comes to pay me. A motorbike fella slapping a teacher in public. What is that? And then we are here, we call each other an election. Election that already have been declared winners 5 hours before the opening of the election. If KUPPET really is for teachers, can they stand? And if they are not, let them give us a okay. They can allow us to go home.
Ona kurero uguo murugamiriri wa githurano kiu Sami Chelimo Chelanga augite ona thengia wa gukorwo githurano kiu kigomeirwo ni mathina ni gitafanitio uria kwagiriire. Riri arutani amwe mareganite na uria githurano kiu gitafanitio makiruta mukana wa kwiyeherania na ngwataniro iyo ya KUPPET.
Our police stations, we wrote OBs and all that. Still no action was taken. Today we came to vote. Yesterday we met the two teams and the person sent from the NEB, Mr. Chelanga, who is a secretary tertiary in the NEB. He was in charge, and the labor officers.
Mohoro-ini ma Kiheo TV, Agatha Wairimu.
Na thutha wa kwamũkĩra riboti ya Agatha Wairimu turamba wikĩrio hanini ni turacokereria.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ũngĩkorwo na woni wĩgiĩ tabarĩra citũ ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũmenyithia kũgerera ndũmĩrĩri nguhĩ kana WhatsApp. Namba itũ nĩ 0795 789804 0795 789804 kana email itũ nĩyo info@kiheotv.co.ke.
Ndikuragira arigitani matiganite.
Mũrimũ wa kwambata thakame rĩ nĩ ũkoragwo na indo ũngĩtũma ũthiĩ na igũrũ, kaingĩ tũciĩtaga risk factor. Gũtikoragwo na gĩtũmi atĩ ũngiuga nĩ kĩndũ fulani atĩ gĩtũmaga pressure no ũthiĩ na igũrũ.
Wĩna itũmi cigana na nyingĩ na nĩtũgũciarĩrĩria, no nĩ kũrĩ na thĩna ũrĩa ũkaga nĩ ũndũ wa mũtumia kũremwo kana mũthuri kũremwo gũtũma mũtumia agĩe mwana.
Tugaga na gĩthũngũ, every pregnancy is a risk nĩ ũndũ wa mathĩna mwanya mwanya. Nyũngũ ĩyo no ĩrekanie thigĩra ũcio no ume mbere ya mwana aciarĩtwo.
Tũgathoma hamwe ũhoro wĩgiĩ mĩrimũ ĩrĩa ĩrathĩnia mĩĩrĩ itũ. Nawe mwĩroreri tũgakũhe mweke wa kũũria ciũria ciaku.
we ewe ni wenderera we kawira kau gaku o investire miaka yo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moke magukua indo ciaku ungika atia kana ungiambirie kumacaria na miguu ta njege tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma Engineering System umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials razor wire cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system eira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intruder alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinya ka remote oguo wira ni muingi tawa gutinda kung'ang'ana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno. Nduka ciao cikuria Nairobi CBD macamanĩrio-inĩ ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao ĩ hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Nduka yao ĩngĩ yao ĩrĩ kũu Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Nduka yao ĩngĩ harĩa Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kũrĩa Kasarani nĩ harĩa Max Plaza kũng'ethanĩra na Kasarani Police Station. Ona kana no macarie na thimũ 0793494949 kana 0793949494 kana 0793595959. Gitĩra wĩra waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma Engineering System. Twaririe
Thimo 18 kamuhariga 10 ritwa ria Jehova ni nyumba ya hinya njake muthiringo niyo mundu muthingu ahanyukagira agatonya akarema gukinyirika
Nĩ wĩharĩirie kuoya ikinya mbere harĩ kĩrĩa wĩriragĩria gũthoma. Ndũgathinĩke rĩngĩ rĩu kuona Jewel Technical College marĩ haha nĩ ũndũ waku. Tũthomithagia kothi itiganĩte ta journalism and media studies nĩguo ũmemerekia, hospitality management nĩguo ũrugi, cosmetology and beauty therapy nĩmo maũndũ megemainie na ũthaka, ICT, electrics and electronic engineering, healthcare and caregiving na makĩria moguo. Nĩ tũrĩ na thiomi cia nanja nĩcio Korean language o hamwe na German. Tucherere Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatu kũrigania na TRM. No tuhũrĩre thimũ namba 0713000071 nĩyo 0701300071 kana no tucherere rũrenda-inĩ rwitũ nĩruo jewelcollege.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving towekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigirĩrĩki munene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-inĩ citũ Rwesambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kũrigania na TRM kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0703164003 0703164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Kiumia kĩgima gĩkoragwo na mĩhang'o kĩondo rita, ũguo onaguo nĩ tũmenyete na nikio tabarira ya kuinekereria yongereirwo wathi mweru niguo tuguteithia gutiriha wikendi na thitairu. O muthenya wa Jumamothi nigwikira twaraba niguo wirekererie wige mathitire thithi tukaina karithi gakongoya. Atiriri waigwa ni kuongerera wathi ni atiriu kwambiriria thaa 2 cia utuku tukagia na mweke wa guthathaia Ngai imwe kwa imwe, thaa 3 kinyagia thaa 4 tugakurehera ma DJ matiganite magagutukaniria nyimbo iria mwaki na kukuma thaa 4 tukaina mithu ikarega ndare. Aini aria ng'u a nyimbo cia kugoca Ngai makaina imwe kwa imwe kinyagia thaa 6 utuku gatagati. Mwago mutheri ungigitigithia atia ni kuinekereria na MC Kiheheji wa Gitawa.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Naam, karibu ororigi ni twacokereria hari kirekaria keri na ria muthia. Kabuni ya mbegu guku bururi-ini ya Kenya Seed riu ithiite na mbere na gukura kiuga ati arimi matifati gukorwo mena wasiwasi ni gukorwo ni ati kuri na mbegu cia kuigana guku bururi-ini kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa kabuni ya mbegu ya Kenya Seed Sami Chepsirora iria arimi ati orire bure ithiite na mbere na gukura kiura matura matiganite matifati gukorwo makimenywo na mitwe no indi mafati gukorwo makihanda na akoiga ati thito ciao iri na mbembe cia kuigana iri na mbegu cia mbembe cia kuigana.
Been able to meet our farmers, share with them their experiences and so forth, and we are very happy that our farmers are very happy through as Colvers. You know, Colvers are leaders and they are business people, and we are able to communicate and get a lot of feedback as far as our business is concerned. And therefore, it is our tradition to be in Eldoret Golf Tournament every year, and this year is very important because as Kenya Seed Company, we have enough seed for this country and the region. And number two, we have both enough and quality certified seed that we are communicating in our business environment like Eldoret Forum where we are today. I want to encourage farmers to know that this season is the major season for this country. We are planting season now. We are having planting season at this moment, and I want to encourage all farmers in the country and all of us to prepare our lands and go back to farming so that we are able to serve and support this country to have enough food for national development. We have enough maize wheat in the country. We have enough wheat and all the products that we do in this country. And also we want to encourage our farmers, as I have said, to repeat again, to go back to farming and ensure we plant because we have enough rainfall. I know many farmers have prepared their lands and so forth. Number two is that we want to encourage the seed suppliers who are in this country to get seed from Kenya Seed Company because 80% of our business is done by the seed suppliers. These are our agents and stockists. So we have enough seed. You can stock your seeds right now to ensure that we are able to serve this country as far as food is concerned. The other thing that I want to encourage farmers is to know that we are seeing a very conducive environment for farming now. And it's an opportunity for all of us to go back to farming and ensure that we serve this country.
Na thutha wa kwamukira riboti iyo hatiri unduge niyo yakore gitwikirira gaturumo ka mohoro maria tuma namo ni ngatho cia mwanya kuri timu yothe ria kuregitirira ati mohoro maya ni mahariririo na njira ria yagirire na ithe twathie na mbere na gukorwo tukuihurire Juma Wika tumana memerekia na njira ya ciiko na ni ogwitwo Naomi Mato na ni undu wa itumi tutangiahota gukorwo tugicithema tutinakorwo tukinyitanira hamwe nake no mahindini ma hwaini ni tugukorwo turi imwe kwa imwe hamwe nake. Ni njitagwo Francis Wairura tugakwendithiria miaraho ina umithio.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ũngĩkorwo na woni wĩgiĩ tabarĩra citũ ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũmenyithia kũgerera ndũmĩrĩri nguhĩ kana WhatsApp. Namba itũ nĩ 0795